Okay, let's talk about a super common trip up in English, one that even native speakers get wrong sometimes. Have you ever paused and thought, wait, am I boring or am I just bored? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the secret life of verbs that dress up as adjectives, so you can get it right every single time.
It really all boils down to this one question, doesn't it? Are you boring or are you just bored? Because let's be honest, one describes who you are as a person and the other is just, a temporary state of mind. You get this wrong, you might just accidentally insult yourself. So let's clear this up for good. And here it is in action. On one side, the movie is boring. That means the movie is the thing that's causing that feeling of, ugh. But on the other side, I am bored. That means I'm the one experiencing that feeling. It's the same root verb, to bore, but those little endings, ing and ed, they change the entire story. So what's actually going on here?
Well, what's going on is that these words are basically living a double life. They look like verbs, they come from verbs, but in these sentences, they're not acting like verbs at all. They've taken on a brand new role. And that brings us to our hero of the day, the participle adjective. What is it? It's basically a verb that's gone undercover. It slaps on an ing or an ed ending, and suddenly, boom, it's doing an adjective's job, describing a noun. It's a verb in disguise. So, let's meet the first of these secret agents. This is the active one, the one that ends in ing. Its whole mission in life is to be the cause of the action or the feeling. Here's the main takeaway for this one. The present participle, that's the fancy name for the ing form, always describes whatever is causing the effect. It's the source. It's the thing doing the boring or the exciting or the surprising. It's the one with all the power. This makes so much more sense with a few examples, right? Think about it. A race that causes amazement is an amazing race. A map that causes confusion is a confusing map. A journey that makes you tired? That's a tiring journey. And news that is the source of surprise? Well, that's surprising news. You see the pattern, right? The ing word is always describing the thing that's causing the feeling. Okay, now for its partner in crime, the passive adjective. This is the one that ends in ed. And if the ing form is the cause, you can probably guess what this one is. Yep, it's the effect. It's the one receiving the action. This is really just the other side of the coin. The past participle, or the ed form, is all about the feeling itself. It's how someone or something is affected by that cause. It's the result. It's the feeling. And check this out. We're going to use the exact same root words from before. That amazing race, it led to an amazed crowd. They're the ones feeling the amazement. That confusing map, it resulted in a confused tourist. That tiring journey, well, it left behind some very tired travelers. And the surprising news was delivered to a surprised recipient. It's all about who is feeling the emotion. All right, time for the main event. Let's put these two verbs in disguise head to head. I promise you, seeing them side by side like this is where it's all gonna click into place and stay there for good. If you only remember one thing from this whole explainer, let it be this. The ing form causes the feeling. The ed form feels the feeling. That's it. It's that simple. Cause and effect. Action and reaction. This table just lays it out perfectly. The joke was amusing. It was the cause. So the audience was amused. They felt the effect. The speech was inspiring, and so the students felt inspired. The horror film was frightening, and as a result, the children were frightened. You can literally just draw a straight line from the cause on the left to the effect on the right. So you might be wondering, okay, I get it, but why does this really matter? Well, it's because getting this right isn't just about passing some grammar quiz. It's about being a clearer, sharper, and way more powerful communicator. Because when you really master this, your communication just levels up. You say exactly what you mean, there's no confusion, no room for error, and definitely no accidentally calling yourself boring. It just makes you sound more precise, more dynamic, and yeah, absolutely, more professional. And I want to leave you with a super simple 3-step tool you can use anytime you're not sure. Step 1, just figure out the noun. Who or what are you talking about? Step 2, ask the golden question. Is this noun causing the action, ing, or is it feeling the action, ed? And step 3, choose the right adjective and speak or write with total confidence. So I'll leave you with a little challenge. Think about your week. What was the most exciting thing you did? And just how excited did that thing make you feel? See? Once you start noticing the cause and the effect in your own life, you are never going to mix these up again. Thanks so much for tuning in.